Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing video today. We had a company reach out to us, Dzees, I'm hoping I'm saying that right, but they asked if we wanted to try out this product and do an unboxing and do a review for you guys. I said sure, so it just came in today. Let's get this thing open. This is the D3 security camera. It's a 360-degree camera and all that fun stuff. I will put a link in the description to it. If you'd like to purchase it, go ahead. We're gonna give us a try. We're gonna open it up. We'll go through everything. We'll show you the app and all that, and possibly set this up outside to see how it works, or we'll just show you something around here. So let's get this thing open. Just came in today. I was actually curious what FedEx was delivering, or UPS or Amazon. I can't remember who brought it. You get so many packages, but let's see what it is. So nice packaging, a nice box right here. Let's see. So it's a box within a box. Right here. Little packing slip. Wireless security camera, outdoor Wi-Fi. Siren alarm spotlight, outdoor camera, wireless battery. So just that box, but then here is the box. Pretty simple, secure, smart, simple. Protect your home with the Dzees camera. Live view and recording history, app message notification. Looks like there's the app. You can scan to download the app right there with the QR code. 100% wire-free, automatic push notification. This does have the Wi-Fi frequency of 2.4 gigahertz only. So usually your Wi-Fi is going to cover that. So motion detection up to 10 meters, which is 33 feet. So pretty cool. This is a picture of the actual camera here, what is in the box. It's wall mounted. See if there's anything else. So here, we're going to open it up. I'll show you the camera. I do like the packaging. They definitely took their time with that. Not just throw it in a box. So got this open. Let me move the camera. So here's the box here. We're going to open it up. Show you guys what's inside. This looks like the quick start guide here. It's going to probably pretty much tell you how to get it started up. The packing list. It has the camera, the mounting bracket, charging cable, screws, and the user guide right there. What's pretty cool is the way you can mount this. It has the antennas on it and everything, the micro USB port, a speaker. It also has a spot for a micro SD card slot, so that's pretty good there. A lot of these cameras have it, but really cool. Infrared light, indicator light, microphone. Pretty cool. It's actually something we've been looking for. It's a nice 360-degree camera. This is probably the mounting holes right here to put the screws wherever you're going to mount it. Scan with your Amazon shopping app. There's a business card. And now we'll get to the fun part. This looks like the charging cable and the tightening screw right there. It's a pretty big camera. It's actually bigger than I was expecting. So we have the wall mount right here. So this will actually attach to the wall just like this. And that screw that was in here with the charging cable will screw down, and the camera will actually hang right just like that. So it actually sticks out pretty far, but it's okay. But this camera is huge. Way bigger than I was expecting. It's actually pretty heavy too. This is the camera. So the antennas will actually go up like this. The screw port will actually attach just like this. Yep, just like that. So then it will actually hang from your wall just like that. This thing is actually pretty big. This thing, I'll grab the old trusty tape measure. It is 6 inches tall. So that's pretty big. It is pretty heavy, but what's cool is it does have a 360 view, so this thing can actually turn all the way around. I probably shouldn't do that, but yeah, really cool. There's the camera, there's the light, all that fun stuff. So the charging port down here, right there. I guess that isn't something else. But the power button's right there. I don't think it probably has enough juice, but yeah, pretty cool camera. So let's get this thing charged up and we'll give it a try. Okay, so we got the camera all charged up. The green light is there. While it was charging, the color was yellow, I think yellow or orange, but now it is fully charged. I did let it charge overnight to see how it was going to do. So now let's open up the app and let's get this thing set up. So here is the app right here. It's called the Dzees home. I did scan the QR code on the box. So let's open this thing up. I haven't even opened this up yet. So there we go. Device management. Manage multiple devices more easier. Live stream, watch live, and speak to visitors anytime. Filter data to get useful information, and activity zone. So get started now. We're going to click on that. Sign up for a new account. Let me sign up real quick and then we'll get back to it. Okay, so it says congratulations, you have successfully registered your device. So all it asked for was my email, zip code, and it did send a code to my email to enter in on the app. So now let's add a new device. Battery device or plug-in device. So we have a battery device, so I'm going to set this up right here to see if we can get this a little bit better. Sorry for moving the camera on you guys. Okay, press the long. Now I got to find out where it's at. So I think the power button's up here. It says until the device emits a sound. Okay, there's the sound. It's actually moving. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Next, I heard the sound. I'll double click that. Next step. It says allow it to connect and determine the position of a nearby device. Yep. Searching for activated devices. I'll move this out of the way for you. So this is pretty cool. It's making a noise. And there it is. Choose your device, the D3 with the serial number. We're going to click that. I'm going to configure the Wi-Fi for the device. So let me do that real quick. Okay, it says it's connecting. It actually connected. It's not making any more noises now, but it's connecting the device to the network. So it means the blue light.
Connection succeeded.
Oh, there we go. So the connection is successful. We're going to name the device. What should we name it? I know we're going to name it. Plan to use your device. Plug-in, battery power only, or solar panel. So I can show you guys this now. So it asks you how you're going to use it. Plug-in, solar panel, or battery power. Now we do have a solar panel camera already, but not this type. We have a different brand. But we're going to do the battery power. So we're going to do that. Choose the installation. Best for motion. Adjust the height angle. It says between 10 and 15 degrees. For best results, place the camera about 2 meters high and point it downwards towards the wall at an angle. The camera works best at detecting motion between 1.5 to 6 meters from where it's installed. Guys, I have no idea how far meters is, so you could do a quick conversion probably. Mounting the camera, that was the accessories I showed you guys when we unboxed it. It was the screws, the holder, which is right here. It came with all that fun stuff. And actually, motion detected by my camera, which it actually shows me upside down. But yeah, it just showed that. So we're going to show you that real quick. It says you're all done. Yeah, so here we go. Try it free. I don't want to do that. Let me get to the screen so we can. So there is a free plan now. So here we go right here. It's upside down, but that's okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can. Let's see how we can go for the live. I kind of want to see how we can go to live. Let's see, library, explore. We don't want to explore. Home. I'm trying to figure out how to. It says it's connecting, so there we go. It's actually upside down, so that must mean. Let me put this camera cover back on. Actually, this camera quality is actually really good, to be honest with you. So I have to post-it note stuck to it, or the cleaning thing. So there it is right there. That's how the camera would hang outside. This is honestly a pretty clear picture. I'm really shocked. And you can see the camera we're using, how we're doing this, but that is actually pretty cool. Yeah, there's all the bins over there. But that's actually kind of cool. And I think, let's try this. Let's see, it says sound. It's probably not going to, you can actually hear it a little bit. There's an alarm, an audible alarm, but I don't think that you can turn that off. My kid is upstairs sleeping right now, so I'm not going to do the alarm. Position. I think this is how we can actually utilize the position. New position. Okay, so it's not allowing me to do that. Oh, here. So it actually comes up with this controller here. This thing's actually pretty heavy to hold with one hand. But you can actually sit there and control it that way with the controller. It's actually kind of cool. Not going up at all. We can go down. And that is just using this keypad here. And then you can press the speak while using the app. Press the speak. Let's see if we can get it to work. Let's see if we can get it to work. Yep. Yep. So there you can hear it. So the speaker on it is actually pretty good. So yeah, it's actually really good camera. Now, so we'll go mount this thing outside. But yeah, that's actually a really clear picture right there. So guys, my overall review on this camera so far, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. And here's the reason that I'm not going to give it the 1 other star. This thing is super heavy, and I'm not 100% sure why it has to be that heavy. Maybe it's because it is 360. It has to have the motor in it to turn it and stuff. But the picture quality was great. The sound quality was great. I did test the alarm just a few minutes ago, and it is pretty loud, and you cannot turn it off. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to come out with an update to where you can actually turn it off. I know on my other cameras I have outside, which I'm not going to mention those names, you can turn the alarm off. But honestly, this camera's pretty good. We are going to mount it somewhere outside. It is weatherproof, so you can make it outside. Guys, I'm going to put a link down in the description below. You can head over to Amazon and purchase this camera. It's honestly very reasonable for a security camera. There's so many out there, and this is honestly a pretty good camera. I'm pretty happy with it. I might end up picking up another one too, just for our house. It's pretty good, and yeah, if you guys really need a camera, check this one out. There's tons of them out there, but honestly, this one's, for the price point, is a really good camera. So go check it out in the description down below, and yeah, hopefully this camera will fit your needs. Also guys, after you check out that link, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Thumbs up, share, comment, all that fun stuff. And guess what? We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.